Hello, I'm Anna, the product manager at ClicData. What if you could set up and deploy a Python script environment in just one click? Meet data scripts. In this video, I'm going to show you how and when to use this powerful module. It enables you to write and execute scripts in languages such as Python to process any table or file in your ClicData account. You can leverage it, for instance, to train machine learning models and generate predictive analytics. Setting up a data script couldn't be easier. Access the Modules Explorer and click Add New. This opens the editor and launches a virtual machine with Python installed. Some packages are preloaded and you can add as many other packages as needed. Choose which files and tables to use to run your script. And you can even create files within the execution of a script, which will be stored in your file storage module. You can execute the script directly into the editor to check the output logs and debug when needed. Finally, automate the execution of a script using a schedule that will run at a specific time and frequency. Now let's see some examples and use cases. Our first example is predictive analytics. Let's follow Minjun, a data scientist who helps a car dealership predict sales. He gathers data from various online markets and automotive databases. Using a data script, he cleans and organizes this data into tables. Minjun then uses more scripts to train a sales prediction model, feeding it historical sales data along with relevant features. He tests and fine-tunes the model until it is ready to predict sales for cars brought to the markets. Finally, Minjun creates a dashboard using these predictions, allowing users to explore predictive car sales by features like mileage, age, and brands. Let's look at our second example, topic modeling. Here, Yara is managing one of the largest restaurant chains in the country, and she wants to analyze reviews of customers about their experience. Using a data script, she has built a topic model of user reactions across review websites and social media, allowing her to categorize the retrieved text elements and gain a deeper understanding of her clientele. With the output data, she has now built a dashboard classifying the major sentiments and identifying areas for improvements, enabling her to tailor future actions to better serve her customers. Our third example is route optimization. We follow Javier, a network planning analyst who is focused on designing cost-effective airline routes. Using data scripts, he analyzes passenger demand, costs, and revenue for each route while optimizing fuel consumption and travel time. His calculations also account for refueling schedules, fuel weights, weather conditions, and other operational constraints. Using this data, Javier generates a report outlining the optimal flight routes and schedules, which he can then update frequently, based, for instance, on changing weather conditions. Of course, there are many other applications to data script, such as customer segmentation or churn predictions, just to name a few. Combined with the power of ClicData's other modules, such as dashboards, reports, data flows, automation, and more, the opportunities unlocked by data scripts are really endless. I hope you liked this video. See you soon in the next one.